Good morning, my dear students. Now I will explain the new chapter 4.9 Later Chalukyas and Hoysalas. Later Chalukyas. After the Badami Chalukyas, now who are came to the means later Chalukyas, they were the feuderates of Badami Chalukyas or the Rashtrakutas. Later Chalukyas were the feuderates of Rashtrakutas. They are also called to Chalukyas of Kalyana. They ruled to the Kalyana. So hence they are called to the Chalukyas of Kalyana. One más question. Who was the founder of later Chalukyas? Tailapa II. He was the founder of this dynasty. Tailapa II. He was the founder of later Chalukyas. So next to Manyaketa. Manyaketa, it was the capital city of Rashtrakutas. So later Chalukyas also made the Manyaketa is the first capital of later Chalukyas. After Someshwara, when Someshwara first came to the power after Tailapa, he was made the capital city Kalyana. So he made the capital city of Kalyana. It is in Bijapur. So one más question. Which was the capital city of later Chalukyas means Kalyana. Who was the founder of Chalukyas means Tailapa II. Next to Vikramaditya VI. Who was Vikramaditya? What he got the titles? How his achievements? These two más questions. Vikramaditya, he came to the power in 1076 to 1126 CE. Vikramaditya, he was a very greatest ruler of the later Chalukyas. Total, he was ruled from 15 years. So, he was suppressed the revolt of his brothers Jayasimha at Banavasi. Later, he had to the face revolt of Hoysala ruler Ballala and Vishnuvardhana. So totally, he was occupied the some kingdoms. Next to Vikramaditya, he was successful of suppressing to the revolt of his Kadambas of Goa, Shilaras of Karnataka, and later he was established a matrimonial alliances with them. So later Chalukyadalli Vikramaditya, he was made the matrimonial alliances. ವೈವಾಹಿಕ ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವುದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ರು. He sent his ambassador to the court of Ceylons, the king of Vijayabahu. Next, Vikramaditya, he was extended empire Narmada in the north to Kadapa in the south are the two seas of east and west. And he was got a titles. Two más question. What are the two important titles of Vikramaditya VI means Permadideva, Tribhuwana Malla. Vikramaditya, name the two titles of Vikramaditya II means Permadideva and Tribhuwana Malla. Next, he was started the era Vikrama era. Who was started the Vikrama era and when? Two más question. Vikramaditya II, he was started the Vikrama era in 1076 CE. Two más question is very important question. Who was started the Vikrama era means Vikramaditya VI. When he was started means 1076 CE. Next to cultural contributions. This is 5 más question. What are the cultural contributions of later Chalukyas? Later Chalukyas of Kalyana were founded he was followed the great tradition of the Chalukyas of Badami, and he was a rich contribution in the cultural of Karnataka. He gave the very rich contribution, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್, ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್, ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ. Majority Which language they are using means they are use the Kannada and Sanskrit language. They gave importance in the Kannada and Sanskrit language. Majority of the poets are the writers. They wrote their literature in Kannada and Sanskrit. First one is the very famous Kannada poet Ranna. In the last class, I told that Rashtrakutas. When I explained the Rashtrakutas, Ponna and told which are Ubaya Kavi and Adi Kavi told that Pampa and Ponna. And the third one, Ranna. He was also a Kannada poet. He's a very famous poet. Ranna was patronized. ಸತ್ಯಾಶ್ರಯ ರನ್ನನಿಗೆ ಆಶ್ರಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಸತ್ಯಾಶ್ರಯ gave the patronage of Ranna. His famous work, he wrote so many books. In that books, which are the very famous book means Ajitanatha Purana and Sahasa Bhima Vijaya. 2 marks question. What are the 2 books of Ranna? Ajitanatha Purana and Sahasa Bhima Vijaya. ಆ ಗದಾ ಯುದ್ಧ, ಸಾಹಸ ಭೀಮ ವಿಜಯ ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಗದಾ ಯುದ್ಧ ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ. After Ranna got a title Kavi Chakravarti. So in the last class I told that Pampa Adi Kavi. Pampa got a title Adi Kavi. Ponna he got a title Ubaya Kavi Chakravarti. Ranna he got a title Kavi Chakravarti. Next Chaundaraya. Chaundaraya second, he Lokopakara deals with the astronomy, astrology and sculpture of medicine. Next to Sridharacharya, poet Sridharacharya. Sridharacharya Jataka Tilaka. This is the first, it was the first work of Kannada. Authentic astrological work in Kannada. Which one means Jataka Tilaka. Who wrote means Sridharacharya. 2 marks question. Next Bilhana. Who was Bilhana? Name is work. Bilhana, he was a Kashmir poet. Bilhana ಯಾವ ದೇಶದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ he was a Kashmir poet, was the court of Vikramaditya VI. Vikramaditya VI gave the pattern of Bilhana. He was a Kashmir poet. He wrote a very famous book, Vikramanka Deva Charitam. Name the work of Bilhana. Vikramanka Deva Charitam is written by Bilhana. He was a Kashmir poet. Next to Someshwara III. Someshwara III, he wrote a very famous book, Manasullasa. Manasullasa, it was the first encyclopedia in Sanskrit. It was the which is the encyclopedia work of Sanskrit means Manasullasa. Who wrote the Manasullasa means Someshwara III. Next to 4 important books. Kirti Varma, he wrote a Govaidya. Next Nayasena, Dharmamrita, Vignaneshwara, Bruchakatika. These are the very important works of later Chalukyas. Next art and architecture. Later Chalukyas gave the importance in the art and architecture. They gave importance in the architecture's style of Chalukyas of Badami and important temples of their period. Which style they are following means Badami Chalukyas. Which are the very important places? Which are the very important places of this dynasty means place Kukunuru. In which temple we saw means Kalleshwara temple. Kuruvatti. Kuruvatti we saw the Mallikarjuna temple. Lakkundi we saw the Kashi Vishweshwara. Next Haveri Siddheshwara temple. And very important Itagi. Itagi we saw the Mahadevi temple. Itagi Mahadevi temple is the very important temple of Itagi. And then Hanagal Ganapati temple. These are the very important temples in the field of later Chalukyas. Chandralekha. Who was Chandralekha means? She was the queen of Vikramaditya VI. Who was Chandralekha? Chandralekha ಅಂದರೆ ಆರನೇ ವಿಕ್ರಮಾದಿತ್ಯನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ. He was expert dance and music and other fine art. Hence he had the title Drupa Nritya Vidyadhare and Abhinava Saraswati. Name the two titles of Chandralekha. Who was Chandralekha means? She was the queen of Vikramaditya VI. He was expert in dance and music. So hence he got a title Abhinaya Saraswati and Natya Vidyadhari. So this is the very important topic at 5 marks question. Next class I will explain the Hoysalas of Dwarasamudra. Thank you my dear students.